The Election Commission of India has announced two-phase assembly elections in Gujarat for which polling will be held next month. The first phase of elections will be held on 1st of December while the second phase will take place on 5th of December. Addressing a program marking Vigilance Awareness Week of the Central Vigilance Commission in New Delhi today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi says time has come for a decisive fight against corruption. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs (CCEA) yesterday approved mechanism for ethanol procurement by public sector oil marketing companies under Ethanol Blended Petrol Program. Defence Research and Development Organization has conducted a successful maiden flight test of Phase 2 Ballistic Missile Defence Interceptor AD-1 missile from APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. Polling is underway for the by-elections of 7 assembly constituencies spread over 6 states. The polling started at 7 in the morning and will end at 6 p.m.